it's pretty empty now, but overall I just wanted to see the make how they do biryani here in Akshay Dum Biryani Center. I think you can come here. It's just 500 meters from the Hoskote toll gate. It's not tough to find, near the service road. I think it's just the oil. That's why they start. So you can see the number of oil packets they are putting. I think at least I have seen at least 12 packets. I think so. So mostly we go to biryani center, just have a biryani, and then just fly away. But here I just want to give an experience of how it is made. So I heard that this is one of the best place to see how it is made in the early morning. You can come here and have a nice biryani, and also have a nice view of how it is made. That's the first ingredient, the onion. So I think he just wants to blow up some more air. So that's the method, as you can see. See, it rained a bit in the morning. You can see a bit of rain in the morning. So it's cold already. In Bangalore, you know, the temperature is already cold. So it's early in the morning, it's cold, and standing near this hot thing, it's good. You can also notice all the coal they have here for maybe the next day. They also have all the logs, ready-made logs. They just don't have to look out for logs. They can just take from their shops and then use it for burning. So it's like a day-to-day job for them. They can get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock and then start doing this. It's a great job to do that, isn't it? I think it's turmeric powder, right? Turmeric powder for the flavor. So it looks like a lot. It looks like a whole packet, but then if you see, the whole packet doesn't make a lot of difference in such a big vessel. It's a big vessel. A lot of people can eat in this. Can you see it? It's a very big vessel, and I think once made, I think they can serve it for the whole day. They don't have to make anything more other than this. So it looks like Akshay is a big fan of art. You can see a French chef. I don't know. You can see the beautiful, brilliant arts all the way. It's a nice place, cozy place to sit and rest. And on the other side, you can just see an open vacant land. You go into the darkness. And mind you, see this is almost twice the size of what we are seeing now. So it looks like during festival times they do a lot more than what they are doing now. So I think that's what I think. I can show you one last view of the place, how it looks from the inside. You really don't want to miss, isn't it? Such a beauty. Before they add more ingredients to the, I think they also have a YouTube channel. So before they add more ingredients, I just wanted to show you how it looks from the inside. And it's early morning, and people have already started lining up for this famous biryani. That's the ginger paste they have added. That's the ginger paste, a lot of it. And then you can already see them. They have a weighing machine. They have a weighing machine in which they are weighing how much they have to put inside those inside that vessel. So it's not a random thing. They are doing it by measuring it. Oh my God! Already you got the flavor. I don't know if you can smell it, but I think these people who are on the highway can. I think so. They have already stopped a few cars. And some of them have just came, and knowing that it will take another half an hour, they have gone somewhere. I think they will come in a minute. Okay. They have added something. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I think the thing they were weighing is just the meat. I thought it's the rice, but I think it's the meat. So I think they might as well have rice and some quantity proportionate to that. You can see, nice fleshy, equally sized. Okay, I think that was added earlier. I think a little more was added now. Okay, all the meat goes inside. So I think they are adding water to just mix it up. And mind you, it's just a full can of water. Very dramatic, isn't it? Now all the masala. I don't know. I don't know what are the masalas, but all the regular. But donna biryani? No, different. Dum biryani. This is different. This is not the donna biryani. This is the dum biryani. You can see the hard work. You can see all these things mixed up. Only thing that's remaining is the rice. Maybe I can try some of. Heavy. It's not so easy. Hard labor. I think the fire is ingenious, isn't it? You just have to rotate it. shelter just enough to keep the rain water from spoiling the party. So just I think this biryani is in short of some rice. I think if they put rice, I think it should be over, because as I've seen, they have added all the masalas and everything. And by the way, they are not taking care of it, means it's done and it's just the rice that needs to be. You can see all the flavor, all that. We get a better sense of it when I eat it, isn't it? Looks like some final touch. So mind you, they have not added rice, just the pieces. So only after the pieces have been fully cooked, the rice is added. So it looks like that's the formula for the success. And now only the rain just adds to the ambience, isn't it? You can see the sky with the Bangalore climate doing its magic, adding some more spices to the biryani to top it. You can see the sky for yourself. Just a beautiful setting to have biryani, isn't it? In the morning. Now you can see that they have taken all the firewood from the bottom and put it on the top. Have a closer look. So as you can see, they started cooking when it was dark, but then by the time they finished their cooking, it has almost become the sunlight has come. But then today, for a difference, it started raining, and then as of now it's not very heavy, and you can see the shop. It's just near the toll gate, half a kilometer, and it's a busy highway, on the side of a busy highway in Hoskote. So I thought this is the first food vlog I'm doing, so I thought mutton biryani would be a nice place to start. So I think in at least 10-15 minutes we'll get the food. So after that, having that, I'll give a review and sign off for the day. Got my perfect spot for the food. I just wanted to have a look at the background, so that's why I chose this place. There are at least 4 backgrounds. You can just see. But then the biryani is the art, isn't it? Not the painting. Okay, so let's see if it lives up to the expectation. It's hot. It's really hot. But then the climate today is a little bit cold because it was raining. And I think that adds to the ambience for this biryani. For those who want to have a early morning biryani, I think that should be an added whatever it is. Want you to take a closer look. The pieces are big in size, and it's plateful of pieces with a decent amount of rice. It's hot, and I think it's fine. It's fine, and it's good. Perhaps the best mutton biryani I had in the recent times. So it was very satisfying, and overall I would give it 5-star rating. It's very nice, and I think everyone who is in Bangalore or nearby should try the Hoskote Akshay Dum Biryani. It's one of the best. So please stay tuned, as I will be uploading more food vlogs. So thanks and stay tuned.